Right, guys, so for this time we're going to create a presentation, an effective presentation using the Canva application. So make sure to stay on the video so you will be able to see how we're going to do that. Okay, so again, this is Ariel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you will be updated to all my videos. And don't forget the notification bell. Okay, so let's open the browser, and then make sure you already have an account for this one. So type in canva.com. Okay, so once you're already on the application or on the platform, so you can go to this part, create a design, and then you can choose this a presentation. So if you cannot find this one, you can just type in presentation, and it will definitely give you the option. So you can use that. So click that one, presentation. Okay, so let's just wait. It's loading. Now on that part, so as you can see, we have the given templates here. So you can either use this if it's related to your topic. But if it's not related, so you can just create a new design or blank or scratch there. So these are the different templates given by the platform. So you can try to put here, you can search here your topic. If you can find one, then you can also use that. If not, then you have to create using the blank template. Right, so let's try to check if there's telecommunication. Yes, I find here telecommunications. Now, okay, so there are options here that we can actually use, but I'm not gonna use that. So what I will do is I will go into create presentation from scratch. So first, I'm going to use elements. So you go to elements, and then I'm gonna use the shapes in creating my design. So I will create my own design. So create that, or you can use this one, any of the shape that would be okay for your presentation. So let me delete. So I'm gonna use this one instead. Just resize it there, or you can have this like that, so you can make your own design like that. There you go. So here I'm gonna change the color for that. So I'm gonna use this one, blue. I'll just copy paste, and then that one I'm going to change the color to this one. Okay, so that would be a good design. Now let's copy that. C Control V, and then also on the other side to make it more balanced. All right, so that color is fine. So copy paste, and then let's change the color of this to blue. Okay, so now we have our design already. So okay, so I think it's already a good design, clean, minimalist. So you can definitely use that design already, or you can create other designs that you think will be applicable for your presentation. Okay, now let's put in the text. All right, on the first part, so we're going to put the heading. So here you can put here your the title of your campaign, or the title of your project proposal, and then let's just put it here. So I'm gonna copy paste that. All right, so effectiveness of telecommunications as a main platform for online education. So you can already use this for the first slide, and don't forget to put your name. So you can put that on the side. Submitted by Ariel and alright, so let us change the size. Still a little bigger. Yeah. Alright, that one is good. Let's put it below. Or you can put it right here. Still bigger. Let's change it to 50. That much better. And you can change the color of that to a different color like this one. Okay, so it's good. So if we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, still 5. So still following the 6x7 rules. Now after that, you can just copy paste that for the second. So here we're going to change this to our next slide. So let's just put here the contents. 8. Let's have this 90. There you go. And for the content, so you can also use, we're going to put the introduction. Second, the survey questionnaire. Third, survey results. And then lastly is the database. So these are the contents of your presentation. So you can make it a little bigger. 60. Alright, that would be okay. Alright, so just copy paste that. Control C and then Control V. Okay, so for the next slide, we're going to put here the information of each contents. So here we're going to put here the introduction. Let's make this 100. So for the introduction, the information that would be needed is this one. Let's put it here. Just erase that. Okay, so these are the information needed. So we have the general information, campaign details, and the campaign overview. General information. Now, right after that is the campaign details. So let's put the campaign details. And what are the information there? So that's the campaign details. Next is the campaign overview. All right. And then right after that, survey questionnaire. So after that, we can put here the sample questions. Now this one, first it should be a number. Alright, so we have here the sample questions for your survey. So after that, let's put in the survey results. To use the charts or graphs to explain the information. Alright, next, copy. So charts or graphs. Alright, so that is it. So you can use charts or graphs. So by the way, I just copy paste the charts or graphs. And then on the last one, we're going to put in the database. So let us remove this one and then put the information for the database. Alright, and then let's put it on the side, use the, there you go. And lastly, the database information. So copy paste that, or the database sample. let's erase that, and let's put our sample database or the screenshots of the database. So you can just explain it, how did you create that? And then you can also put the summary. So once you're done, you can put the summary. And then the last slide, of course, you're going to put the last information needed for your presentation. So you can also change the color of this one to emphasize if they have questions from your presentations. Now once you're done with your design, so by the way, here you can put transition or any other design. So from that, these are the option for the transition on how the information will appear, or you can use that one or even that one, or just leave it no transition at all. So those are the options, guys, in creating a presentation using the Canva. And then once you're done with your presentation, you can just go to this one, the dots, and you can download that as PowerPoint, or you can share the link using this one. All right, so just copy the link, and then you can now share that to your facilitator or to the teacher so that they can also view your presentation. Okay, so that is it pretty much for the presentation on how you create that using the Canva application. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video, guys. Alright guys, so for this one, what I'll be showing with you is how to create a presentation using Canva on your mobile phone. So I already downloaded the Canva app, so you can download that on your Play Store. And for me, I downloaded from Huawei App Gallery since I don't have Play Store. It's for Huawei devices. There's no Google services. So I have here the Canva. So you can just click that. Make sure you have an account before you can log into this application. And then now you can click the plus sign, and you choose the presentation here, or you can type it in the search. So presentation. Now you can click that. So I'm gonna use the 1920 to 1080. Alright, so still loading here. Now you have the template. So you have a lot of templates to choose from right here. So if the template is related to your presentation, then you can probably use that. If not, you can create your presentation from scratch. There's also an infographic presentation there, and those are the templates, guys, that you can actually use. Alright, make sure if you're going to choose the template, it's related to your topic. Alright, so after that, if you don't want to choose the template, then you can start from scratch. So go to the elements. Right, and then you can choose the shape that you would like to put in. So these are the different style or shapes. You have the photos, you have the graphics, and also the video if that would be applicable. Okay, so that is the shapes that you can actually use. I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm going to resize this. Oh, good. So after that, you can now edit your presentation. Alright, then you can just press and hold the first slide and then click the duplicate page. Then you will have the same slide and then the same design. So you can just change the information on this slide on the different contents that you would like to put in. Okay, so basically that is it on how you're going to do the presentation on your mobile phone using the Canva. So again, the option here to edit the information there. So you have the edit, delete, duplicate, the font size, format, that one. You can put it in the middle. Or if you would like to change the spacing, so you can also use that in the effects and everything. Now, if you can add another design, so you have here the elements, the gallery, if you would like to upload the pictures, or you're going to use a chart or graph, so you can also use that, and the style as well. And also you can change the background, or whatever background you would like to use for your presentation to make it more appealing, like something like that. So you can apply that to your presentation. Okay, so that is it. So make sure to apply, guys, the rules and techniques in creating the effective presentation. So after that, you can now save it. So you can save that. You can save that as an image, or you can share the link to your teacher so that they will be able to see it, or you can upload that as Microsoft PowerPoint. So once you're done. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.